Hi. Okay, this video is going to explain for mathematics chapter 5 variations. Okay, so in BM is Ubahan. So I'm going to explain for the direct variations first in this video. Okay, so this chapter in SPM we only have questions in paper 1. So only have questions in paper 1. Actually we have three parts of the topics, which is direct variations, inverse variations, and joint variations. Yaitu ubahan untuk tajuk ini hanya ada soalan dalam kertas satu dalam SPM saja. Okay, so this is a simple of variations. Okay, ini simple dia. Okay, simple untuk ubahan. Okay, variations actually in our topics we have two types: direct variations, ubahan langsung, and inverse variations atau ubahan songsang. And the other one is when you combine these two, okay, we have joint variations. Actually, joint variations, okay, can be combined both direct variations, boleh gabung dua-dua atau tiga-tiga semua ubahan langsung, atau ubahan songsang sahaja, atau direct and inverse combined together. Okay, so for the joint variations is mostly our questions in SPM. Okay, so now the first thing is for direct variations, ubahan langsung. So there are two quantities. Okay, if y varies directly as a quantity x, so maksudnya jika y berubah secara langsung dengan x. Okay, kita tengok Okay, so meaning to say if y increase, y bertambah, okay, the other one also increase. So this one we call direct. Direct meaning if there are two quantities to varies. So if one is increased, the other one is also increased. We call direct. Okay. So this one when increase, the other one also increase. So if the other one is decrease, the other one also decrease. Meaning to say, if y increase, okay, x also following increase. So this one we call direct. Okay, so this is the meaning of direct variations. Okay, so if y varies directly as s is written as, dia boleh tulis jika y berubah secara langsung dengan x, dia boleh ditulis dengan, okay, ini cara dia. So kita tuliskan for the first unknown we write in front. Okay, the first one we write in front. Okay, so this one, okay, we write in front. Okay, just now I showed to you the symbol of variations. So this is a symbol of variations. Okay, so varies directly as x. So x is our second unknown. Okay, so we write at the back. So this is the meaning. Okay, so after that we write down the y equal to kx. So this is a expression, this is equations. Okay, so k is a constant. Okay, kita sentiasa tulis dengan cara ini. Okay, maksudnya, so yang first one ialah persamaan ungkapan untuk ubahan. So kita ikut ayat dia. So y berubah secara langsung dengan x, dia boleh ditulis dengan cara ini, yaitu y first quantities, pemboleh ubah yang pertama tulis di depan dan pemboleh ubah yang kedua tulis di belakang. So ini ubahan langsung. Okay, so ini yang kedua ini kita panggil sebagai persamaan ubahan. So this is a variations equations. Okay, so this is the standard format. So it depends on how many variable we have. So the x and the y is the variable. Okay, so we call it varies. Okay, yang boleh ubah ini bergantung kepada bilangan dia. So this example I show to you only have two variable. Okay. Okay. So for example, y varies directly as x. Okay, so how do we write down the equations? Okay, so first of all, because directly y varies directly to x. Okay, see direct variations. Ini ubahan langsung. So the equation is y equal to k, meaning we just change the symbol of variation symbol to become equal to k, and k will be a constant. Later we will discuss how to obtain our k. Okay, so number 2, m varies directly as square of n. Okay, so m is the first variable. Okay, so the equation is m varies to the n square, meaning you see the words here. Okay, square of n. Okay, square of n, kuasa 2n. So here we have the kuasa 2n. Okay, so this one only have x, that's why here is only x. So this one is because we want the square of n, so is n square. Okay, the next one still the same thing. We change the symbol to become the equal to k. Okay, and k always is our constant. So number 3, p varies directly as cube root of q. Okay, p, okay, varies as cube root of q. So q is our variable p and q, but we want the cube root of cube root of q. Okay, maksudnya kita mau berkata langsung dengan punca kuasa 3q. So that's why here we have a punca kuasa 3. Okay, or we call cube root. Okay, so this is we call the first one. This thing we call the variations expressions. So the second one is we call the equations. Okay, just now I explained to you already. Okay, now we continue to see some example on how to solve the questions. Okay, so the question is given that y varies directly as x, and given to you also y equal to 20 when x equal to 36. So write the direct variations in the form of equations. So our objective of this question is we want to write down the write the direct variations, one equations in form of equations. Okay, so now how to solve this one? Okay, the first thing is write down, because here y, see here, this one y varies directly to x. Okay, so that's why here is a y varies directly to x. And just now I told you already, when we change the equation, always change the signs of variation sign to symbol to become equal to k. Okay, and then the next step is we're going to substitute the value of y. Okay, value of y equal to 20, x equal to 36 over the equations here. Okay, so now we substitute y equals to 20, so x equal to 36. Actually our purpose is to obtain the value of k, okay. We want to know value of k, because in the equation later on we cannot leave it in the symbol of k. We must know the value, because k is a constant, always never change value in these equations. Okay, so we get the value of k by doing we solve this mathematics problem. K multiplied to 36, 36 move to the other side, become divide. Okay, it's divide 36. Okay, 36 move become divide. Okay, this one we simplified it, so this is our k. So we obtain a k, then we substitute the k, going back to the question just now. Okay, then y equal to, just now supposed to be, this one is k, but this one is a k just now, right? Okay, so we have the k already. Okay, we substitute inside here. Okay, so this is the expressions. Okay, this one is expressions already. So this is the answer. Okay, this is answer for our expressions. Okay, okay, change to yellow color lah. Just now red color very weird. Okay, so this is our expression and this is actually our answer. Okay, so this is the solutions for the question number, example number 1 just now. Okay, okay, so again for these questions, so after we have the equations, this one, okay, we have this one, okay, equations. So then we substitute the value of x, y equals to 54, y equals to 54, just follow the questions. Okay, and x equal to 3. So these two value is useful for you to find the k. Okay, actually we are looking for k by substituting. Okay, kita gantikan nilai y sama 54 dan x sama 3 untuk mencari nilai k. Dan kita ganti dalam persamaan y sama dengan kx power to 3. So kita ganti y equals to 54, x equal to 3. Then you can see from here. Okay, then 3 power to 3 is 27. So we want to obtain the k, so 27. Okay, this one I move to the other side. Okay, so 27 move to the other side, become divide. So 54 divided by 27 is 2. Okay. Okay, so therefore we have the equations. Okay, this is our equations. Y equal to 2x3. So now we don't have any more value of k, no more inside the equation, because we have substitute the k to become number 2. Okay, this is the functions of the first part of our questions. We need to get the value of k. Okay, after we have the k, we put it here. Okay, so substitute value of k to obtain the equations. After we have the equation, the next step is we answer the questions. So before that, we are not yet actually belum mula lagi jawab soalan. We only get the equation first. Okay, so after we have the equations, okay, so now we answer the question for B. Okay, this topping just write off. Okay, now so B, they're asking you to get the value of x, 1x, by given y equals to 16. So now substitute the value of y equals to 16 and into the equation just now. Okay, y equals to 2x. So this one. Okay, substitute inside here. So you can see y we change to 16. Okay, so then we solve this one to get our x. Okay, so this one, x power to 3 equals to 8. How to get the x is actually cube root of 8. Okay, so after you get this one, you got x equal to 2. So this is your answer for the A. Okay, so the next one is for B. So for B, we want to get the value of y when x equal to 4. Now they give it to you y, dia berikan y dan anda kena cari x. Bukan, dia cari x, dia beri x, cari y. So give it to you x, you want to obtain the value of y. So again the same thing. Now we substitute the value of x in the same equation just now. Still the same equations. Okay. Okay, you can see. So after we substitute x. So this is our x. Okay. So then we solve it. So this is your answer. Okay. So this one is the example for how to solve the questions regarding to the direct variations, Ubahan Langsung. Okay. So this one is another questions, also the same thing.
It's about
The question is over here.
direct
So
variations.
you can
So it's
look.
given that y varies directly to x and y equals to 6 when x equals to 2. So express y in terms of x. So so this one is about direct variations. Okay, this one means direct variations. Okay, so we start from the expressions. Y. Okay, then write out the equations of the variations. Y equal to k x. Again, k is a constant. Okay, we want to look for the constant first. To obtain the constant, what is the value k? We need to use this value of y equals to 6 and s equals to 2, meaning we substitute y 6 y 6 equal to k x 2. X is 2. Okay, so to solve the equations, so I want to get the k. Okay, this one is multiplied to k, so move to the right side will become divide 6 divided by 2. So k equal to 3. Okay, after we have our k, then we can rewrite our equations by changing the k to the number we have obtained. So this is actually our expression, because we want to express y in terms of x, meaning here we need to express y. Just follow this one. Okay, just follow this one. Okay, just follow. Y equal to, now k, we don't put k anymore, so we change to the value that we have obtained, 3. Okay, k is 3, then x. So this is our answer. Okay, y equals to 3x. You express y in terms of x. Y in terms of x. Okay, thank you.